Hi Instagram, how are you? I am here coming at ya with a Fierce Forward You Grow Girl box unboxing. If you know me, I have like such an obsession with little gift boxes. I love surprises because it feels like my birthday or Christmas. So I've been getting the You Grow Girl box from Fierce Forward for the past couple months. If you don't know, Ashley Johns is the creator and she came up with Fierce Forward. She makes this beautiful jewelry all by hand with like stones and different mantras, and it's just an amazing company that she's created. And so recently in the past few months she decided to make a monthly box, and I'm like so addicted to monthly boxes because I love surprises, and I was getting stuff from her all the time anyway. So when she came up with the box, I was like, well, I have to subscribe. So this is the September box. I'm so excited to open it up. I haven't opened it. I just like got the tape ready. This one, I forget if this was August or July, but I have been wearing these non-stop. I actually opened them together just because I was away in July. But this bracelet says Rise, and then this was Bloom, and I just felt like they just like fit where I was at. So I'm super excited. I think I've seen a preview maybe somewhere, but I literally cannot remember. So we're gonna bust it open together. All right. Oh, I didn't cut the tape enough. I think I got it though. All right, we're good. So she puts either like a little card or this is a little booklet, and there's always a theme of the month. So this theme is Imagine, a roadmap to becoming the artist of yourself and your life. I love that. So we've got a little booklet. Ooh, okay, cool. So it has like different steps. So throughout the month, you keep the, idea in mind, and then you can do the different practices in the booklet. So I'm excited for that. Ooh, and then she also has a little card that just explains so you know exactly what to do. So Imagine box tools. So you have the growth guide. It's a 22-page growth guide, is your roadmap to becoming the artist of yourself and your life. Use it this month and come back to it as often as you need. Oh my God, I'm getting to see what's in here and I'm so excited. Okay, this is a silk lavender sachet. Use in your drawer, your closet, or near your journal to add a beautiful and peaceful aroma to your space. So that's really cute. Look at that little eye. And then there's a little card that goes with the jewelry. Imagine your fiercest self. Open your heart to the life of your wildest dreams. Lift the veil of fear and doubt and see it's all possible. Imagine your fiercest self living in your truest, highest alignment. Then start moving like her. You are her. I love this. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. The jewelry piece. Look at how gorgeous. Okay, so the Imagine bracelet, handmade using green moonstone and genuine mother of pearl, your daily reminder to look down and remember to keep imagining your fiercest life and moving forward to what you want. This is so perfect. Oh my God. And the cool thing is you can pick your size. So I have like teeny tiny wrists, so I always get small, but you can also get like probably medium large, and you can also get different sizes if you want to wear a bunch of them down your wrist. And then the last little cutie, we have a pink opal gemstone known as the goddess stone, is a heart chakra activator. Keep this stone near you as you stay peaceful and grounded in your forward movement. So this is such a cute box. I love it so much, and I'm glad I actually opened it this time on time. I'm so happy. Hey Jason, what's up? So I'm so excited. So definitely there is an Instagram for the You Grow Girl box, and then also Fierce Forward jewelry, so you can definitely check them out if you want to subscribe. I don't think you can probably get this exact box, but you can definitely subscribe for next month. And it's just so fun. Like, I love the mission of her company. I think it's so amazing. I love supporting a woman entrepreneur in her own business. I love that it's all handmade with love. Like, it means so much to me. So thank you, Ashley, for another amazing box. Like, you just keep killing it. And I really hope you all enjoyed this little unboxing. Bye!